Hi all, this is my 2013 Honda CBR600RR Repsol machine. What I've done on here is remove the existing body kit and replaced it with a brand new body kit from China, and I've made a few modifications to the actual bike itself. These are cosmetic modifications. If we go towards the rear of the bike, you can see I've put carbon fibre covers on the swing arm and also some sponsorship stickers as well. I've also removed the pillion passenger foot pegs off the bike. Towards the rear, I've put an RNG tail tidy just to make the back end a lot more tidier than from the standard option. Again, I've done the same thing to the other side of the swing arm. Carbon fibre cover with sponsorship stickers, and again remove the pillion passenger foot peg. Also, another item I've added to the bike is a gear shift indicator, which I've put on the right hand side of the instrument panel. Over here. So that's pretty much it for the 2013 Honda CBR600RR Repsol machine.